Are you ready to retire? Can you afford to retire? Those two questions are really, really important questions. And there's a number of other questions that we want you to ask yourself. If you click down here, you can download a copy of our guidebook, whether you're working, heading into retirement, or you're already on the other end. Are you ready to retire? What's most important to you about retirement? Is it family? Is it lifestyle? Is it freedom? Is it security? Have you answered those questions yet? When you picture retirement, what do you see yourself doing day to day? That's a lifestyle question, and one that's oh so important, because if you can't picture that, it might be really hard for you to grapple with when you get there. And we want your retirement to be easy breezy. What worries you most about the transition from working going into retirement? So there's some important questions about, are you ready to retire? Now, I've got some others written down. Can you afford to retire? Let me read this to you. If nothing changed in your financial life today, how confident do you feel about retirement when you want to? If nothing changed financially today, are you confident about when you want to retire, that everything's going to be just fine? How about, have you thought about how long you'll need your money to last in retirement? That's a polite way of asking, how long will you need your money to last in retirement? As long as you do, and as long as your spouse, if you're married and you love your spouse. What does a successful plan do for you that your current situation doesn't? Now, those questions there, more often than not, what the answer is when we're listening on the other end is, on the other end of Zoom, when we're listening in and we're asking these questions, the biggest answer of all is, Charles, I want to know that I'm going to have enough, that I'm financially secure, and I can maintain my present lifestyle. Well, guess what? How would you feel if not only you maintained your present lifestyle, but your standard of living actually increased and you expanded your lifestyle? How would that suit you? That'd be pretty fantastic. Oftentimes, we discover that very thing, and we encourage you to go on those trips, to go see the grandkids, to go remodel the kitchen, to go build that extension onto your home, and whatever hobby you want to pursue. These things happen. Listen, I'm going to recommend that you do something, and I think it's very important. I want you to click here on this video that explains how you can assess your monthly expenses. I think it's really important, so click right here. Now remember, folks, you don't have to work longer. You just need a better plan.